Let's be honest, AI search is already deciding your pipeline. Your buyers aren't just browsing your website anymore. They're asking ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity. And those AI engines aren't giving them links, they're giving them answers. Answers that rank vendors, cite sources, and recommend who to evaluate to solve their problems. But here's what makes B2B different. Your buying committee at different ICPs isn't one person asking one question, but has multiple personas, each with different priorities, different concerns at different stages of the buying journey, different ways of prompting AI. If you're not in the answer for each of them at each stage of their research, you're not in the deal. Or worse, even if you are, you struggle to close it. The challenge most B2B teams are running into is they're still creating content using basic LLM prompting, or worse, generic AI visibility tools that guess prompts that buyers might ask, without knowing who is actually asking, without keeping in mind the various ICPs, and understanding the specific concerns of each persona at each stage, without grounding any of it in real buyer signals. And guess what? AI doesn't reward guesses, it rewards relevance. It pulls from content that reflects what your buyers across every ICP and persona are asking, objections each of them raises, the language they use, and how decisions are really made inside their organizations. That's where Omnibound is different. We don't guess the prompts. We analyze real buyer conversations and market signals, your sales calls and support tickets, CRM notes and competitive movements. So we know what your buyers are asking across every ICP and persona. We know where your competitors are being cited instead of you. And we know exactly where your brand is missing from the conversation entirely. But knowing the gaps is only one part of it. The other important part is creating content that actually closes them. Omnibound builds content from context for each ICP, persona, and stage of their buying journey. Content that speaks to the questions of the buying committee, all grounded in the language your buyers use when they're researching AI search engines. From identifying the right prompts to creating the right content, to tracking which pages are being referenced in AI answers. Omnibound shows you exactly how AI search engines see your brand today and gives you everything you need to change it. So your content gets ranked, cited, and recommended for every ICP, every persona, every question that matters in your deals. Because in AI search, relevance isn't optional. It's what gets you chosen. Omnibound.